Hello traders and welcome to this week's recap of our biggest winners for the week. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to be doing this every single week. At the end of every single week, I'm going to show you our biggest win on the VIP side, what you really missed out by not subscribing. And we are running that big December promotion. If you subscribe to the VIP group on a monthly basis, you get 1 free month access to our swing trading group and our crypto VIP group. And on top of that, if you use the code December at the checkout, you get 30% discount. So that's a 120 pound package for just 24 pounds and 50 pence. So the link is below this video. Use that if you want to be part of the VIP group and trade with us and profit with us. So we're going to start by this Aussie US dollar trade sent by our trader Aziz. As you can see here, this was sent on December the 6th, right here, to buy the Aussie US dollar with an entry, a stop loss, the risk to reward target, and of course the rationale behind that trade from Aziz. Aziz took that position and closed it right at the top for a cool 110 pip win. So that's the first big win from Aziz this week. The second one comes on the US dollar Canadian dollar. A very cool short position also by our trader Aziz. Now, the rationale is this one right here. Okay, I'm going to go through that NASDAQ long that was sent by myself, right? So let me just find that US dollar Canadian dollar trade that Aziz sent. It is here. So Aziz sent this US dollar Canadian dollar to short this market for a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio on an amazing trade that yield 179, 180 pips. So you guys missed out on two amazing trades. And yeah, you notice that we do have some other signals or some other VIP trades sent. Those VIP trades are still open and running on profits, as you can see at the bottom of my screen. Now we're going to go through that NASDAQ that I sent. Let me show you first the actual rationale behind that trade. Well, myself, when I send a VIP trade, I don't send a chart. Basically, I send a short video explaining my rationale, like this one, full thought process on my gold short, etc. But here is my NASDAQ trade on December 6th, also to buy at the 1582 on a 2R or a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I had to use another broker to be able to trade this one right here. And we actually made on the VIP side about 540 pips on those NASDAQ longs. And you notice that I still got some NASDAQ longs running. Well, that is because on the swing trading VIP group, let me show you right here, we only took 50% off at the first target, and we are letting the rest of it ride. So we made a 550 pips. We are letting the 50% of the other 50% of that NASDAQ long ride while stops at a break even. Right, and we are adding for next week on the VIP swing trading group for a trade to all-time highs on this market, showing you the daily, as you can see, pretty much looking super strong, etc. So if you want to be part of the VIP and trade with us, this is what we do. This is what you missed out on. That promotion is still ongoing, so heads up to that. And I'll see you guys on the VIP side for Sundays Open.